Tupers. So I'm gonna show you. Rosie's been already for several days working on patching up holes and stuff on the shine shack, on the garage in the house. So I'm gonna show you the shine shack here. And she's already been sanding. She's already got the front here done. Sanding, you can see all the holes and stuff here. She's patched up here. And then a bunch over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sneak around the other way. Didn't really need much patchwork on this side. There's only one spot over here. She's got a few spots. Oh yeah, she's got several spots here, here. And I'm telling you, it is cold. My goodness for myself. It is cold. I'm wearing a sweater and leggings and shoes and everything. It's cold. You have an overcast today, and I think it's like 55 or 60. Anyway, yeah, there's a bunch of patchwork. She's gonna come around and get this all sanded down today. There she is. You can see how that is rough here. And then here it's all nice and smooth. Needs paint. So then this is going to be painted all in the same color so that this is no longer visible. So we will go over here and so she's been patching up stuff on the garage here. She's got a bunch of stuff down here patched up. There, and over here, and then over here in the corner. And then she went up along the house. Actually, here in the garage is some more here. Couple spots here. Bunch of stuff here. Here on the house along the corner. Got some spots here. So I think she went on the back side of the house. And I don't even think on the side of the house here that really doesn't need much. So I think she's already gone all the way around the house. She's already gone away all the way around the house and everything. So it's basically just sanding everything down. And then she's gonna start Wednesday with the pressure washing. And then she wants to start painting, and I'm gonna try to help her with the painting a little bit. We are gonna paint with a brush, and unlike the lower levels, I can't do no ladder climbing or nothing like that, so she's gonna do like the upper, and maybe like the midsection, like where I can reach here. I can help her a little bit. So yeah, it's gonna be a work in progress, and we're gonna continuously film, and then we're going to make it a video, and you will then be able to enjoy that here on the Collab channel, so stay tuned for that. Very good.
Just putting some primer on now, so we got a better paint grab when we go to put the exterior paint on here. I've got everything sanded down real good. Basically, I've probably done 90% of the fill work, and the sanding here, I've had to go back and fill some areas that went a little low when it dried, but I'm using that real good dab wood filler, and the stuff is excellent. It sands real well, and it grabs real well, and I don't think expansion and contraction will be a problem. So it's important in some of these raw areas, and here where patches were done, it's kind of important that a little bit of primer be put on them for a little bit of extra grab power. So I'd like to think, and probably Jen will tell me if otherwise, but I'd like to think we could wrap up everything by July 1st. All the painting is done on all. It's going much faster than I thought it would. The buildings are in much better shape than I thought that they were. Some of the trim stuff, if Jen pans to the right there around the door, we're going to need to do some more carpentry. If she pans back this way over the shine shack door, this is why I don't like to hire people to do any work on the ranch of any kind, from concrete work to fencing work to carpentry to tile work. I'd rather electrical plumbing do it myself. Because the guy I hired to set this door, because it's a $500 door, fiberglass door here, with glass and everything, really nice tempered Lowy glass. He didn't even properly fit a header piece on there. He had a piece that was so narrow that it left a 1-inch gap up the top side there, and that shit's no good. You can't do that. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get the primer all on today, and then call it a day. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Very good.
Okay, so yeah, you can see over on the garage.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk by there and show them.
Yeah, it's not perfect,
A
but
little
it's exterior. It's not meant to be interior finish. So as long as we, knocked off 95% of the flaking paint and stuff, and got things pretty well worked in with the fillers and things. By the time this is all done and painted, we're going to put the lipstick line on here, so all three of the buildings match with the same style. So you have the green skirt on the bottom, and then you have the buttercream sort of top on it. It's going to look really nice. It'll look like a really uniform compound. And of course the color goes very good with the natural environment we have here. That sort of, I don't want to call it a seafoam green, but I'd like a moss sort of green or something like that. So yeah, I'm expecting it's going to be good. When everything's all done and painted, I'll go back later in the fall, and where we need to have new guttering and we need to have a new roof put on the garage. That'll be the last roof and new guttering. And I'm going to have to do a significant amount of carpentry on that. You know, I have a lot of rotten fascia boards behind the gutters underneath
Yeah.
the roof line there. The flashing was never properly done or anything like that. So, of all the buildings, I guess that took the worst beating.
Yeah.
Water leaking and all that kind of stuff.
They're along the guttering
We have
underneath.
better control now with water flow, where we just don't have stuff willy-nilly coming down in buckets off the roof. It's all being controlled now. And we have the green downspouts that take it away from the foundation. So it's all good. So yeah, onward and upward.
Very good.
All right.
Sweet.
Give everybody a little bit of an explanation.
What do you think, Mandy? Mandy? You got any thoughts to share on this?
I love Rosie. There we go.
Okay,
That's the thought.
that's good enough.
The Rosie Girl. Huh?
Alright.
Mandy, where's Rosie? Huh? Where's your Rosie Girl?
Very good. Alrighty. So you can see here, this is all primered here. Let me see where my finger is there. This is all primered here. And some stuff primered all over the place or over here. And then primered here. And you wanna primer everything that you have filled with filler, because the filler does absorb paint. So like here, this entire area here is primered. The filler will absorb paint, so you want to kind of seal that off and put a coat of primer on there. That's a standard procedure in the painting business. So anyways, that is today's project here. That's Rosie's been working on. Thought I'll kind of get some snippets here to make a video for you all. What's been happening on the rancho today. So I hope you like it, and as we will make progress, we'll make video, and as I said earlier, I will try to help with the painting, so there will be some videos coming up of us painting when we get to that point. So anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and hugs, love, and kisses to you all. See you in the next video. Mwah.